speech ko gusto nyo?
Entertain.
Uy, game na! Nakaano na! Nakapailot na to! Bilis!
Informative. Hindi ko kasi kabisado to eh. Pabisay ko muna.
Bilis
London
na.
Fashion Week. Fashion has become a large part of identity. May kanya. Ba't nakakala yung
Ganun yan. Ganun yung camera sa mga reporter.
May plus na kay Sir!
Oo, nagalaw-galaw pa.
Kumuha namang ganang angle eh, no?
Diba yan? Fashion has become a large part of identity, making it the post-human world in which people play dress up with their clothing. Fashionable clothes reinvent people as sexual, desirable, and
Tugs-tugs ba tayo?
enigmatic.
Tugs. Sige, giling mo ba?
Oh my God!
Ano talaga ibibing natin kay Sir, ah?
Ano lang yung entertain mo? Yun na yun.
Ano na yung entertainment?
Okay, tapos na entertaining speech.
2 minutes ng kagaguhan naman eh.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, I am greatly honored with this business award. I was one of many women who were nominated for this award, and I can tell that each of them is worthy of this award. Ang redundant naman ito. I'm really excited. Ano ba? Saan galing?
Dito.
Truck.